Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name's Melissa and today I'm going to be doing another Bibbidi Box unboxing. Let's get into this. That's what it looks like. Let's put it down here. So it says, "It's really not so scary. Boo to you." This is cute. They also had this on one of their Halloween shirts. So this, oh cool, this month's box was curated by Josh. Hi Josh. Here's the packing slip. Don't want to see that. Okay. So now Bibbidi is putting their stuff into this beautiful iridescent bag. It's a really big bag. Let's get into it. Okay, I don't want to look. Let's see. Try not to peek. Well, it's kind of hard. I gotta open the bag, huh? Okay. Don't look. Okay, so what am I gonna? Okay, I found something. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Hold on. Let me pull it back. Don't look. Okay. Oh, it's a Villain's blind box. Oh, these pens are awesome. I like these. Anyways, so I'm starting a new pen collection. Really haven't gotten into pens, so I want to start getting into them. And of course, Villains are going to be one that I start collecting. Anyways, this one's the Disney Villain blind box pen. And you can collect all 6. Here's all the ones you can get. It's Ursula, Queen of Hearts, the Evil Queen, Jafar, Dr. Facilier, and the chase would be Hades. Let's see which one I got. See which one I got. I'll let you look at it. Not looking. Can you see? I got the chase. Yeah! I got the chase. That's awesome. The chase. I got the chase. I got Hades. That's awesome. Really beautiful. And then the back is this. Oh, so it's the Loungefly. Can we just talk about the pen, how beautiful it is? You see his flames. I don't know if it's catching up on the camera, but it has glitter in it. It's really beautiful pen. I love it. Not bad for starting a collection, right? Sweet. Love that. Already good. Okay, let's go. Not looking. Kind of feel around. Something big. Here we go. Ooh. What's this? Okay. What am I looking at? Okay. Not looking. Oh, got a little pouch. This one has, it says Disney Parks exclusive. Let's go. See, it says the Disney Parks exclusive. Oh, it's an Alex and Ani. Oh, I love this. Okay, sorry. So it's an Alex and Ani. It's my first ever Alex and Ani, and it's Maleficent. So love how beautiful that is. I'll take a better picture and I'll put it right here. And this one's a park exclusive. Oh, I love that. Maleficent is my favorite villain. So, oh, I'm very happy to wear that. Okay. Let's keep looking. What is this? Okay, so let's pull out this and try not to see the last thing I do believe. The last thing. Yep, nothing in the bag. Let's see what I got. So with Bibbidi, you're able to have a wish list, and they have different things that you can choose from, and this one was on my wish list. I love it. It's pretty. Okay, I'll show you. Just wait. Let me admire it some more. Okay. You know, okay, so it's the Nightmare Before Christmas. It's a Loungefly mini bag, Nightmare Before Christmas. Look how beautiful that is. It's Jack and Sally. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Has a pocket here. There's a pocket here. It has a pocket here. And here's the Loungefly logo. Well, it just says what does it say? Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas. Look how pretty. Here's the back. Oh, I love this bag. Oh my goodness, look. And here's a hardware. It has a little zipper pull with Jack Skellington. Let's open her up. There's the paper. Oh, it's pretty. Okay, so the inside, it has, and there's no pocket here. So the inside, it has a pocket right here. And it has, let's see if I can get it focused, has Jack's little skulls everywhere. So it's just Jack's head, basically. That side, that side. This is pretty. I like it a lot. Okay. Let's see. Let's go and get the packing slip to see how much everything costs. Oh, I'm very happy with my bag. And I'm very happy with everything. I love it. Thanks, Josh. You did a good job. Okay, so it says this box was lovingly curated by Josh. He did a good job. The Disney Parks exclusive Alex and Ani Bangle, the Maleficent, was $44.99. The Loungefly Disney, The Nightmare Before Christmas, Jack and Sally Simply Meant to Be mini backpack. So it's a meant to be mini backpack. This was $70. And then the Loungefly Disney Villains Blind Box pin, which I got the chase, which I am very excited about, was $10. So the total value of my box was $124.99. Awesome. That was awesome. I'm sorry. This box was amazing. Thank you again to Bibbidi, and thank you again to Josh. You did an amazing, amazing job. Well, that's it. That's all I have for my Bibbidi Box unboxing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. If you like more videos like this, please check out my other Bibbidi Box unboxings. I'll make sure to leave the link above and down below. And if you want to go check out Bibbidi Box, I'll leave their information down below and go see if there's a box that you might like. Thank you and have a good day. Bye. Unboxing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Blah, 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 blah. That's it. That's all I have for my Bibbidi Box unboxing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I got a chicken Sally bag. I got a chicken Sally bag. Booty you. Booty you. Booty you. It's a big one. Oh, nice. Sweat. Whoa.